Once upon a time, in a world where adventures were boundless and curiosity knew no bounds, there lived a girl named Rosie. Rosie was known for her 2 dimples that danced on her cheeks whenever she smiled. She had a heart full of wonder and a mind eager to explore the mysteries of the human body. One day, as Rosie sat pondering the wonders of the world, she had a brilliant idea. What if she could journey inside the human body and discover its secrets firsthand? With a determined glint in her eye, Rosie decided to embark on an extraordinary adventure through the human respiratory system. But Rosie knew she couldn't do it alone. That's when she met Dr. Nate, a friendly scientist who shared her passion for exploration. Together, they hatched a plan to shrink down in size and journey through the intricate network of lungs and alveoli. With a sprinkle of magic dust and a flash of light, Rosie and Dr. Nate found themselves standing at the entrance to the respiratory system. Rosie's heart raced with excitement as they took their first steps into the dark caverns of the nasal cavity. "Welcome to the beginning of our journey, Rosie," Dr. Nate exclaimed. "Here in the nasal cavity, air enters our body and is warmed, moistened, and filtered by tiny hairs called cilia." Rosie marveled at the intricate design of the nasal passages, taking in the sights and sounds of the bustling respiratory system. As they traveled deeper, they encountered the trachea, a sturdy tube that carries air to the lungs. "The trachea is like a highway for air," Dr. Nate explained. "It's lined with rings of cartilage to keep it open and prevent it from collapsing." Next, Rosie and Dr. Nate entered the lungs, where they were greeted by the sight of countless bronchioles branching out like a vast forest. "These bronchioles lead to tiny air sacs called alveoli," Dr. Nate said. "Here, oxygen from the air we breathe enters the bloodstream while carbon dioxide is expelled from the body." Rosie marveled at the incredible efficiency of the alveoli, each one working tirelessly to ensure the body receives the oxygen it needs to survive. As they continued their journey, Rosie and Dr. Nate encountered the diaphragm, a powerful muscle that helps with breathing. The diaphragm contracts and relaxes, causing the chest cavity to expand and contract. Dr. Nate explained, "This creates the rhythmic motion of breathing." With each breath, Rosie felt a sense of wonder and gratitude for the intricate workings of the human body. As they reached the end of their journey, Rosie knew she would never forget the incredible adventure she had experienced. As Rosie returned to her normal size, she couldn't wait to share her story with the world. With a smile on her face and her dimples dancing, Rosie knew that the human body held endless wonders just waiting to be explored. And as she drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of her next great adventure, knowing that the world was full of magic and mystery just waiting to be discovered.